Okay. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So this is it's a sort of a trade breakdown, preparation for next week. How do I anticipate my bias, my weekly bias on GBP NZD, right? So when you can check this thing, you can see that it's in a monthly uptrend, right? So long term it's going to the upside, right? So it's targeting this level on a monthly time frame, right? So and then we see that okay, here there's trading up, then this is a correction anticipating what up move to what to this level, right? So now my monthly bias is bullish. My DOL for monthly is this level, right? So I'm gonna drop down to what, to weekly time frame after monthly time frame, right? So on weekly time frame, right, just adjusting my chart. So as we see that on weekly time frame, this thing, it gave us what, it's coming from what, expansion profile. So after an expansion, what can we get? We can get a ranging profile or a retracement profile. In this instant, it gave us what, an retracement profile. After retracement, what can we expect? Expansion profile towards our draw on liquidity, right? When we are using market profiles, so we are targeting this level, So when we check, now we are building our narrative. If we can look left, we see that this thing did what, it gave us, tested this FEG here as our key level, and it swept liquidity here. So that means this candle that swept liquidity and failed liquidity, becoming our order block, right? Since we got what, we got our close above of this candle. So now we drop down to what, to our daily time frame. So weekly it's showing bullish signs, monthly bullish signs. Now we wanna frame and analyze how our daily time frame looks like, right? So on our daily time frame, this is what, it's our key level, right? Our higher time frame key level. So this, it's our key level also from the higher time frame, and inside here it's our FVG, right? Can take this out, and then here we got our total soup. So now we can see that okay, this thing wants to come here first, right? But before it does that, it needs to sweep. So before it comes here for its DOL first, it needs to do what, to come down here to sweep what, the Friday low, previous daily low, previous daily high, right? So this is gonna become this time frame total soup. This is our draw on liquidity, right? So my anticipation here, we're gonna do exactly the same thing as we do. We're gonna put what, gain box Monday, Tuesday, right? So the anticipation here is to look for shorts up until we take out this previous day low and test this key level area, this key level plus this FEG, ne? So we take this, we can look for shorts, and then after we sweep here, we can start to look for buying opportunities up until we take out the previous day high and this level, right? Or we can just simple wait for price to do this sweep and then look for H4 CRT below here and 1 hour CRT to take our entries to the upside. So this is the trade breakdown that I used to find the weekly buyers right on this pair.